Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger spark plugs full guide. Start by parking on level ground and letting the engine fully cool before you touch anything. Open the hood and remove the engine cover if fitted, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to be safe. Lay out tools and take a quick photo of coil positions for reference. Keep rags handy to catch any debris and stay organized throughout the job. Use steady, even pressure as you lift each coil pack straight up to avoid tearing rubber boots. Attach a spark plug socket with an extension and swivel if needed to reach recessed plugs without cross-threading. Turn the ratchet counterclockwise with controlled motion until the plug breaks free, then lift it out carefully with the socket. Check each plug for unusual wear patterns that could indicate other engine problems and set them aside in order. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice control and even maps your garage, which is perfect after a messy spark plug change. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want a demo, I can show setup next. Now let's get back to the video. Start by verifying the gap on each new spark plug and adjust only if specs require it. Thread plugs by hand first to ensure smooth engagement, then use a torque wrench to tighten to the correct foot-pound specification for your engine. Reinstall coils, apply dielectric grease to boot contact areas, and reconnect battery when all components are secure. Finally, run the engine briefly to confirm smooth idling and listen for any misfires before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.